Email marketing is broken. SMS for e-com brands is getting worse and crazy expensive. You're spending thousands of them, but nobody opening them. Your customers ignore them, block them, or just get pissed off. But there's a secret marketing channel that's quietly outperforming both, and 99% of brands aren't using it yet. For years, e-commerce brands have relied on emails and SMS to drive sales. But let's be honest, emails open rates are plummeting, and SMS is either ignored, blocked, or outrageously expensive to scale. Moreover, running email and SMS campaign in-house efficiently is incredibly hard, and agencies are extremely expensive. But here's the thing. A handful of smart brands, savvy entrepreneurs, and marketers who understand the importance of simplicity plus profits have already moved on. They're tapped into a marketing channel that gets 98% open rates, converts faster, and builds real customers' relationship on autopilot that drive both referrals and 5-star reviews. This Shopify brand we are working with used this to generate an extra $33,235 in just 24 hours from a single campaign that took only 10 minutes to create. The best part? This isn't some complicated new platform. It's something your customers already use every single day, and unless you're living in the past, you're using it as well. Before I tell you what this channel is and I show you how powerful and simple it is, let's look at the numbers. Email open rates 17 to 22% if you're good or just very lucky. Click-through rates on average 2.3% if the copy is good and the offer appealing. SMS 90% open rates, yes, that sounds great, but customers hate them. Cost is very high, outputs are increasing, and response rates are unpredictable. Moreover, most brands are already using them, increasing customers' frustration and lowering results. Meanwhile, this new marketing channel is used by over 2.5 billion users worldwide monthly, has 98% open rates, 5x the engagement of every other channel combined, with up to 60% click-through rate and 50% conversion rate, and just few brands are leveraging it properly and at scale. At this point, you probably understood what I'm talking about. I'm talking about WhatsApp. But before you roll your eyes and say, oh, I've heard this before, this isn't the old school WhatsApp blasting that gets account banned. The reality is some brands are scared of running WhatsApp marketing campaigns because of having their numbers blocked for spam. And WhatsApp is beautiful, but unlike SMS and emails, customers do reply. Imagine sending a campaign to 10,000 people. Almost all of them open it. Thousands reply. Great, right? But here's the problem. Who handles all those replies? Or worse, you can craft a message very promotional oriented, like you do with SMS, for example, but it will feel like spam, and your number really gets blocked. The main point here is you need to adapt your marketing depending on the channel you're on. I'm sure the ads you're running on Meta are different than the ones you run on TikTok or Snapchat. That's why AI is changing the game. AI transforms WhatsApp into a sales and marketing powerhouse, making it sure you can adapt your marketing to be native into the channel. Since WhatsApp is a conversational platform, the best way to sell is to stimulate conversations and drive sales. The beauty of it, it feels natural, empathic, and builds a real one-to-one relationship between you and your customers. Now you can literally message every customer like they are your only customer and have deep conversations with them. In fact, you can now launch AI-powered campaigns in just 10 minutes. It's super simple, and I want to show you what's possible. Instead of spamming one-off, no reply needed campaigns, you will be using Zipchat AI to start prompted conversational campaigns. What do I mean with this? Super simple. You select the audience you want to send a campaign to. You define the entry point, well, the first message. Then you define your final goal. Let's say selling a bundle or collect a review on Trustpilot. Then you prompt the AI. In other words, you tell the AI what's the point A, also called the entry point or icebreaker or first message, and you tell it the final Z point you want to achieve. Whatever happens in the middle is not your business, it's on the AI, which will tailor the conversation depending to who it's talking to. Then you click on send and the AI will send a message to all the selected list. Now let's see a real example. Imagine you sell skincare products. A customer bought an anti-cellulite cream last month. Summer's coming, she's probably thinking about the beach. Instead of blasting her with a generic sale or 50% off, you launch a conversational campaign with the goal to upsell the customer with a bundle. As you can imagine, that's not only 98% plus open rates, but also a super high reply rate. Let's say you sell the anti-cellulite cream for $59 each. Now you can bundle 3 of them plus a bonus, face cream, or let's say $29 at only $119, 24 hours offer. How to run such a campaign? Super simple. You select the audience, basically people who bought the anti-cellulite cream in April, the previous month basically, then you prepare the offer, a 3 creams bundle plus a face cream as a bonus. Ideally, put it on a landing page. By the way, this example is applicable to any industry and any product, just mentioning for the sake of clarity. Then, you go to Zipchat, you upload the list from the contact section, you go to the campaigns, you create a new campaign, you select WhatsApp, you provide the name, you select one-off campaign and the audience, also called segment. Then, you write the first message. Instead of writing a boring spamming promotional message with the details about the offer, you write a human-style message. Hi, it's Marina from brand.com. I just wanted to check in and see how the anti-cellulite cream you bought from us last month is doing on you. Are you happy with it? By the way, planning any beach vacation soon? I'm going to Mallorca mid-July. The above message feels super human, not invasive, and feels like a brand whose customer care really cares about you. Now, what are the possibilities? Scenario number 1. The customer bought the cream but hasn't used it yet. Scenario number 2. The customer is using the cream and is happy. And scenario number 3. The customer is using the cream and is unhappy. You provide the AI with a quick prompt telling it how to behave in different scenarios and how to bridge to the offer to this brand.com /bundle link, and it's ready. I put the full prompt example just down in the description. Total time, 5 to 10 minutes at most. Metrics are literally from another world because as per today, just a few brands are using WhatsApp marketing. Fewer brands are using it properly and even less are running it with a human channel dedicated approach. By the way, you can use my code YouTube10 for a 10% off forever on any plan at Zipchat.ai. Moreover, Zipchat AI offers a 7-day free trial, 30-day money-back guarantee, and a free setup onboarding call. It's basically impossible to not have a huge positive ROI on this software. But that's not all. You can use WhatsApp AI even more. Imagine this, a customer abandons their cart, they get an AI-powered message that feels like a real human conversation, not some spammy discount code. Starting a conversation asking for a feedback, or if they have any question, answering them. Conversation starts and the AI closes the sale 24/7 in any language. Or a customer has a question, instead of waiting hours for an email response, AI answers instantly, both through the website chat or through WhatsApp, and even upsells them to the perfect product again and again, 24/7 in any language. Run ads, instead of sending traffic to a landing page where 95% plus of people bounce, you drive them straight into real-time WhatsApp conversation, providing a prompted free consultation or whatever your creativity can come with. Conversations convert like crazy. WhatsApp isn't just a messaging app anymore for you now. It's a full-blown sales machine. If you're thinking this sounds amazing, but setting up AI sounds like a nightmare, again, don't worry. As said, you don't need any code experience nor hours in training the AI. If you're on Shopify, just install the app from the marketplace. Otherwise, just add your website brand URL to Zipchat. It will create the knowledge base by itself. Then you're just around the corner for launching your next AI WhatsApp marketing campaigns. So, should you drop email and SMS marketing? Absolutely not. But if you're serious about maximizing sales, building real customer relationship, and future-proofing your brand, WhatsApp plus AI is the move in 2025 and beyond. This is the future of e-commerce marketing. Early adopters are already crushing it with WhatsApp AI, and you don't want to be left behind. Try Zipchat AI for free today. Use code YouTube10 for 10% off before the promo expires. Don't forget to like and subscribe to us for other e-commerce.